Hello everybody. The turntable on our GE Advantium microwave oven, there's a model number, is no longer working. All you have to do is remove the 9 screws that are running along the bottom frame, and then there's one other screw right up in there that you need to remove, and then the whole bottom frame will drop down. So I have the frame dropped, so the 9 screws around the frame edge and that one inside the frame. You can disconnect that plug and you can remove the frame with the lighting on it. There's the turntable motor with the 2 connections. Just pull those connections off and you should be able to carefully remove the motor. Just make sure you're paying attention to this part. This part is probably going to drop through to the other side. The good news here is that it looks like it's not the motor. It looks like it's the motor shaft. This is a purple ceramic shaft that attaches to the motor. I'm not even going to test the motor. My assumption is the motor's good and the turntable's not turning because of this broken shaft. Here's a picture of that turntable shaft, new. There is the part number right there, and at least at this particular website it's $35. Let me show you my repair hack. I super glued the 2 pieces together. I'm not sure how well the super glue is going to work on ceramic, but parts have been super glued together, and then I've gone in with a piece of shrink tubing over it, and I'm pretty sure this is going to work until my new part arrives. Since it looks like there's a lot of clearance in there, a lot of space around the motor shaft, I've gone ahead and added a zip tie here just for good measure. I might not even have to buy a replacement part with this hack. Well, it seems to be working. The turntable's rotating. Anyway, that's my quick tip for you today. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful or entertaining, how about a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel.